Great news if you're charged the first time shoplifting in Florida. You could get your case dismissed or dropped. Hey, I'm Umansky, the Lawman. You may have been shopping in the store, gone to check out, and either concealed an item or didn't pay for a couple items and walked out of the store. Loss prevention stops you, they detain you, they either arrested you or they gave you a citation or a notice to appear, the police are called, they take your information, and you're probably worried and scared. Well, don't worry. If it's your first offense, you're eligible to get that case dismissed or dropped in most cases. How does that happen? Well, in Florida, there are programs called diversion that you may be eligible for where you can get your case dropped. Yeah, listen, I know you're scared about your education, your career, the impact on your social life and your standing in the community. Believe it or not only poor people steal, but plenty of middle class, upper middle class, even rich people steal. And guess what? It's not the end of the world. Now, if it's not treated properly or not taken care of, you may have difficulty getting a job, and you could lose your chance at scholarships if you're a young person. But if it's handled correctly and you're able to get into a diversion program, your case is dismissed. Dismissed! Well, how does that happen? Well, if you hire an attorney, what the first thing they'll do is they'll file paperwork so you don't even need to go to court at all. And the lawyer will get working explaining your side of the story. Sometimes there may be an intent issue. Maybe you made a mistake. Maybe you didn't even ring it up. In those cases, the state may not even decide to charge the crime at all. And if that's the case, you get the charge dropped and don't have to do anything else. You don't even have to show up to court. But there are times where the state's gonna file the charges. Well, don't worry. In those cases, if you've never been in trouble before, a lawyer can try to get you into a diversion program. And probably in over 95% of the cases, that's gonna happen. Well, what does the program involve? PreTrial diversion programs are great because they're usually used for people that have never been in trouble with the law. You might have to do a class, you might have to report into a government official once a month, you might have to do some community service, you might have to write a letter of apology, you might have to attend a couple classes. But at the end of the day, the charge gets dropped. Yeah, dismissed. And that's awesome because then you can expunge your record as if it never happened before. So I don't want you to panic because it's not the end of the world. It's gonna feel like that. You're gonna feel extremely anxious and extremely scared. But if you go through the program and you get the case dropped, you get a good, competent lawyer to help you, the odds are this is not going to destroy your career or the rest of your life. Be patient and don't panic. So if you've been charged with shoplifting, give us a call. Don't panic. Everyone deserves a second chance. We're going to utilize our experience and strategy on your behalf to get you through this and hopefully get your charge dismissed or dropped. I'm Umansky, the Lawman. Out.